In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move an image or object in front or behind other in Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This process relies on features available in the Pro version, so make sure you are working there. With your document open, you'll start by activating the Edit PDF tool. You can do this by clicking Edit PDF in the right-hand pane, or by going to the Tools tab and selecting Edit PDF from there. When this tool is active, Acrobat switches into an editing mode that lets you work directly with images and other objects on the page. Next, click on the image or object you want to move. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it. If you don't see those, try clicking a little more precisely on the object itself rather than nearby text or the page background. Selecting the correct object is important because the arrange options only apply to what's currently highlighted. Now, let's arrange the object in relation to other elements on the page. You have two straightforward ways to do this. The first is to right-click directly on the selected object, hover over Arrange, and then choose the option you want. The second is to look over to the right-hand panel. With your object still selected, find the Objects section and choose an arrangement tool there. Both paths lead to the same controls, so use whichever feels more convenient. Here is what each layering option does. Bring to front places the selected object on top of all other items on the page. Use this when you want something, like a logo, clearly visible above backgrounds or shapes. Send to back puts the object behind everything else, which is useful when you are setting a background image or a decorative element that shouldn't cover text. Bring forward moves the object up one layer at a time, helping you fine-tune its position if it only needs to pass a single element. Send backward moves it down one layer, also one step at a time, which is handy for subtle adjustments without sending it all the way to the bottom. As you make changes, keep an eye on the page to confirm the object sits exactly where you want it in the visual stack. If an option appears unavailable, double-check that the object is still selected. When you are satisfied, save your edited PDF. Saving preserves the arrangement so it looks the same the next time you or anyone else opens the file. Thanks for watching.